I made this studio light that takes your videos from this to this in a second. Perfect for your photos and gaming sessions because it can be moved anywhere, even upside down, but more about that later. We will start off by cutting every piece, and first is the base of a light stand, which is the easiest part because it will get complexer and harder. Here are all the required cardboard pieces. We will start off with the base, gluing some simple parts and inserting a adjustable piece that will allow us to reach big heights and the low ones too. That is our first angle adjuster, but there is a problem. Most of the time it will be used on my table to make quality content for you guys. It might stand for now, but the weight pulling towards outside later, it will fall off. To fix that, I cut it out customized wood and cardboard pieces that align with my table to keep it straight up. But to see if it really works, I glued some more length adjustable part. There I messed up with the measurements, and with a quick fix it's perfect now. That means it can go pretty deep down. But to make it flip upside down, I created this moufette that fits perfectly in the gap, and here is our second angle tilter. But we are still not finished because the lights holder and the lights are still missing. I took these and pinched 2 holes on every layer. Then I glued everything together, plus also this tiny powerful piece that will hold this big wood piece. Now it's time to open our RGB lights. To fit them, I took a huge piece of thin and strong cardboard and stuck the LEDs carefully on the right spots. To mount this on that wood, I built 2 wood hooks, so even this is adjustable. But you will be asking, how on earth are we going to tilt them so they remain on the desired angle? That's why I designed in CAD for perfect accuracy, so that you know that these are available free until 24 October with all the measurements used to make this entire project. Now that it is adjustable, it's still not looking good. How about with some paint? Yeah, that looks better. Here are 4 things you can do with this studio light. Before that, please subscribe. 1. You can adjust the height. 2. The length is also adjustable. 3. You can tilt the angles for your preferences, plus it is flippable. 4. You can flip it for a night lamp. Use it for gaming lighting. For that, you have to buy RGB lights. If you flip it again, for its main purpose, to shoot videos. This is visible to everybody. This is invisible to anyone because its purpose is to hide important things like your journal. To find out how, click this pop-up video.